Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to create AI agent using Google Gen AI Vision 2.0, and then we are going to detect the fire. When we detect the fire, or let's just say smoke, it will generate the email and it will send the email on our Gmail ID for alert. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learned something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today we will create our own AI vision agent which basically detect the fire, and when it detect the fire it will generate the email because we have our LLM. So it will generate the email and it will send the email on our Gmail ID. Simple. So for that I have created a new repository, Gen AI fire detection email alert. I will mention the link. Simply copy paste the link inside web browser, and as we always do, just go to the code, click on download zip, and it will download our zip format repository. So meanwhile what we will do, we need our Gen AI API key. So ai.google.dev solutions Gemini API, get Gemini API key, and here I have already created the one, so I will delete that one, and then we will create a new API key. Select any project, click on create API key, and it will create our API key. So we created our API key, just copy it, then close, and then we will mention our API key inside our text file, paste it, file, save it, done. So we have our API key. So now we downloaded our repository, so just open to the downloads. This is what our repository, right click, then extract all, click on extract, it will extract our repository, done. This is what our repository. So friends, first let's just watch our video file. As you can see, fire.mp4. so this is what our video file, and it has a sound. So let me mute the sound first. So I will make mute and then I will play the video file. So as you can see friends, there is a smoke. So with the help of Gen AI, it will detect the smoke and then it will create the alert using the LLM, and it will generate the email and it will send the email to our email ID. Simple. So this is what our video file. That's it. Let me close. Now first we want to create the password for our email server. So choose any of your Gmail ID which you want to use as a server, means which you want to use as a sender, we can say in simple language. So choose any of your Gmail ID. So then this is the text file, just open it and copy the link which I have mentioned it. Just copy it, open the browser, new tab, Ctrl+V and hit enter. It will open the link. Here simply you want to mention your password. So friends, I have mentioned the password, just click on the next and it will open. As you can see, this is what the link for our app. So I have already created one because I have tested the code. So let me delete that one and we will create a new application. So just mention any name. I will mention, let's just say YT Gen AI, YT Gen AI, click on create, and it will create the password. So this is the password for our server, the email server. So copy the password, copy it, done. Close the app password, and then we will mention the password inside where we create our where we paste our Google Gen AI API key. Simple. So just paste it here. This is what my Gmail server password for sending email. So this is what our Gmail server password, this is what our API key. Now we will simply open our main.py, which is our main Python code. That's it. And here we want to install the packages. So go to the tools, manage packages, and we will install first OpenCV -python, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install OpenCV -python. Then we need LangChain. So LangChain, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install LangChain. Then we need LangChain -google Gen AI, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install LangChain Google Gen AI. Then we need LangChain core package, first package, then just click on install button, done. It will install LangChain core on our Windows machine. So this is how we want to install all those packages. So I have already installed all the packages. That's it. Now, so email sender, here it is, as you can see, the email sender is basically we want to send the message from. So let's just say here I will mention my Gmail ID. So freedomtech85@gmail.com. Simple. freedomtech85@gmail.com. So this is what my sender email address, not IP, sorry. This is what my sender Gmail address. Replace with your email, as simple as. And then the email password. Here we want to mention the password which we create. So this is the password. Just copy it and then just paste it. And then email receiver. So this is basically our receiver. So here we want to mention our Gmail ID where we want to send the email. So I have here another Gmail address. That's it. So I have mentioned the Gmail address. So this is what my receiver, and this is what my sender, and this is what our app password. And here we want to mention our API key. So copy the API key and paste it. Done. That's it. So then friends, this is the function for sending email alert. This is the function for sending email alert. Simple. And then the subject, then the message subject. This is the format. This is how we will create the mail. That's it. Simple. And then when we detect the fire, because we have our Gen AI vision, so when we detect the fire, we mention how we want to act our agent. So this is what the text, as you can see, if the fire or smoke is detected, generate a complete email automatically. Analyze the image and determine if fire or smoke is present. Then if fire or smoke is detected, generate complete email automatically. Write clear and urgent subject, avoid long text. Write a professional but urgent email body, including the emergency contact number for fire department and ambulance. So local numbers for Mumbai and Maharashtra, because I am from Mumbai, so I have mentioned here Mumbai and Maharashtra. You can simply mention as per your location. So it will not only create the email, also it will add the number like fire department and ambulance. Simple. So this is how I want to act my agent. That's it. So this is what my text, or we can say this is the prompt. And then this is the response. As you can see, the response is equal to Gemini.model invoke. Simple. So this is what my response. So inside response, when we detect the fire, means the text, it will call our send email alert function, and it will generate the email using this method. As you can see, using this method, subject line. That's it. And then it will send email. That's it. It is really simple. That's it. So now what we will do, we will simply run our video file. I have already mentioned here a video file name. Let me show you here, fire.mp4. As you can see, let's just run the code. Now when it detect the fire, or let's just say it will detect the smoke, it will send the email. As you can see, the fire department, this is what my local fire department number. As I mentioned, it can be changed as per your location. So now we have here my another Gmail ID. As you can see, this is the Gmail ID which I have mentioned, the truckersfan666@gmail.com. So as you can see, the freedom 85, which is the sender, which we mentioned. If you click on here, this is the sender address and subject urgent possible fire smoke. Dear sir, madam, this is the email information you that a smoke has been detected in area shown in the attached image. And then we have the image, because we mentioned we want image also, so it will crop the image as per the frame. It will generate the email like this way. This is the automatic generation we using Google Gen AI LLM model. So it will send the email alert. As you can see here, we are detecting, first we are detecting smoke detected. As you can see, there is no fire here. As you can see, there is no fire, so it says smoke detected, simple. And then when we have fire, here it is. As you can see, from here it says fire detected, and there is a fire. As you can see, there is a fire. So now it says urgent fire detected. The subject is changed now, simple. So this is how, friends, with the help of Google Gen AI, let me stop the code. With the help of Google Gen AI vision model, because it has a vision, also it has the text LLM model, which is the normal. So you can detect the object, or you can detect any scenario. As per this project, we detect the fire scenario, and then we mention our agent to please generate the alert message and send it to the Gmail ID. And Gmail ID, we created the password. I have mentioned the link. Simply copy paste the link and it will open the app, and then you have to create the password for your app and mention that password over here. And this is what our sender, or we can call, this is basically the server, and this is basically our receiver, simple. So I have mentioned the full code. It is really easy. We detect the fire using vision. Then we have our email server, so we can simply send the email using our AI agent. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.